Canva AI image generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly generating things for you from Canva AI. So to do Canva AI image generation, you're going to come to canva.com/AI-image-generator. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay. So once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on use an existing design. Okay. You're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here we're going to wait for things to load in, and once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving an actual car. Pretty random prompt, but we're gonna, click on enter, and it's gonna load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just gonna want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in. And obviously it's gonna take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. So, it's gonna create qualities like these, and these looks pretty nice. So that's how you're gonna use this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.